It tastes so good. It's really crispy. Hi everybody. Today we're making paneer lollipops. All you need is some paneer, veggies, and spices. What you do first is you put half a teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, then some salt, 1 tablespoon soy sauce. I actually put a lot there. Don't do that. Then you just whisk it all together, and that's your marination. Then next you're gonna chop a block of paneer into 9 pieces. It's really hard. I don't know why. Yeah. Then you put it into your marination. And then you chop some bell pepper into small pieces. Oh my gosh, why was that so loud? Yeah, then you add it into the bowl. After that, you're gonna chop up some onions and mix it all up with the rest of the stuff. Then you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into the marination. Then 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Yeah. And then you add some water to coat. And you mix it all together. Okay, after a while, now the paneer is marinated. What you're gonna do is you put an onion, a bell pepper, and a paneer, like one of each, onto a toothpick to make like a lollipop kind of thing. Yeah. I have Auntie helping me here. Yeah, so you do that for all the things that you have. Yeah. And after a while, they're all done and it's time to fry. Okay, now the oil is hot and Auntie is helping me to fry them.
Yeah.
Thank you for helping me, Auntie. Okay, now they've fried a little bit, so we're gonna turn them over so that the other side can fry. They're done now, so we're gonna transfer them to this colander. Make sure to put a paper towel in the colander. They look a lot more crispy now that they're fried. I can't wait to eat this paneer. Okay, now the paneer is ready. I hope my dad likes it. It looks really good. You can put some chili sauce for saucing. Oh, that's really good. I give this recipe a thumbs up. Also, eat it when it's hot. It's good.